Units of molar conductance. If K is expressed in Simon meter inverse, then unit of molar conductance is Simon meter square mole inverse. Then the formula to calculate the molar conductance lambda m is equal to K by 1000 into C. If K is expressed in Simon centimeter inverse, then unit of the molar conductance is Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Then molar conductance lambda m is equal to 1000 into K by C, where C is a molar concentration of the electrolyte. But why we have to take lambda m is equal to K by 1000 into C when K is a Simon meter inverse, and why we have to take lambda m is equal to 1000 into C by 1000 into K by C when K is expressed in Simon centimeter inverse? I'll give the explanation for that. Okay. Now lambda m is equal to molar conductance is equal to K by C. If K is a Simon meter inverse, concentration is moles per liter. Generally we will consider here 1 liter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So we can consider the concentration as mole 10 power minus 3 meter cube, or else we can consider take it as 10 power 3 into mole per meter cube, that is concentration. Now lambda m is equal to K unit of K is Simon meter inverse by C is 10 power 3 into mole by meter cube. We can write this as lambda m is equal to K unit of K is Simon meter inverse and meter cube by C into 10 power 3 into mole. So here lambda m is equal to K by 10 power 3 we can consider 1000 into C. The unit is here Simon meter cube meter minus 1, so meter square and mole inverse. So when K is in Simon meter inverse, then we have to take the formula lambda m is equal to K by 1000 into C to calculate the molar conductance. Then if K is in Simon centimeter inverse, then concentration moles per liter, here centimeter inverse, K is in centimeter inverse, so 1 liter is equal to 10 power 3 centimeter cube, we know that, and C is equal to moles per 10 power 3 centimeter cube, because 1 liter is equal to 10 power 3 centimeter cube. And this C is equal to, we can consider this as 1 by 10 power 3 into mole by centimeter cube. Now lambda m is equal to K unit is Simon centimeter inverse and C is mole by 10 power 3 into centimeter cube. You can consider this as lambda m is equal to K into 10 power 3 centimeter cube Simon centimeter inverse by C mole. Then lambda m is equal to K into 10 power 3 is 1000 by C. Centimeter cube, centimeter minus 1, we can consider that as centimeter square and mole inverse. So if K is in Simon centimeter inverse, then we have to take the formula to calculate the molar conductance as lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C. If K is in Simon meter inverse, then we have to take the formula to calculate the molar conductance as lambda m is equal to K by 1000 into C Simon meter square mole inverse.